joy that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'm
here. One time we came here, I think it was on New Year's, and they were closed. Like on New Year's. How?
They don't want money then. They do not want money. I hope one of the first ones. I would hate explaining.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Rista Ayanga. My channel name is I'm still struggling. My channel name is Life with Rista. Yeah, and today we are taking a walk at Mukuvisi Woodlands in Harare, Zimbabwe. So just snacking on something before we start the walk. These are some buns, hot cross buns. Yeah, thank God they're brown, right? Yeah, so we are just about to start our walk. I want to go for like 8 a.m. That's my target. But if I can stretch to 10, well and good. So we've already paid. The entrance fee is $6 per person. So That's what we're about to do. I'll carry you along if need be, but mostly it's just walking. We're walking with my fellow women in church, so it's just a physical activity that we are doing to make sure we are healthy and fit. Yeah, so guys, see you when you see me next. I hope I stretch to 10 kgs. I just hope I do. Guys, good luck. Wish us well as we start our walk today. My content creators. The way the trees have grown, intertwined, the roots. Wow, this is beautiful. But you guys you still have a lot of land. A lot of land. In Zim, there's a lot of land. Because in Kenya, mostly our houses are built like flats. 15 floors, 13 floors, and those are residential. Some they don't even have lifts.
What I noticed that they're doing here is when it comes to real estate, they are not tampering with this land.
Yeah.
But what they'll do, they'll go to a house with a big yard. Then they're like, hey, you sell your house to us. And then they do cluster houses in the big yard.
In Kenya, they won't do cluster. They make like a pile on pile. That's why we have tall buildings everywhere. In estates, regardless of where they don't, wherever they find land, they'll build those story building residential. Clusters. We don't have that type of houses there.
Like the flats that they're building, it's just someone's old house. And then you see like six
They buy it.
townhouses in one place. But I'm not a huge fan of it because I think they can go in other cities and do that. Because now it's overcrowded.
You call this overcrowded?
Like the suburbs. They used to be very suburban. Like you see very few people there nowadays.
But the fact that you guys, you own a whole yard, like from here to
They're big.
what do you do with it?
Oh, then the way
And
people
it
love
does-
their space.
But it's also because most Zimbabweans, they go abroad.
Yeah.
So, there are people who, like immigrants, we are not so many. Yeah. And if we are, most of them are working for diplomats. And, yeah. It's hard to just get some, unless it's like me who's been married here, who's just relocating because of that.
But then now if we go to places now there's no longer much land. Like the spaces, it's now more of a gated community.
Bye, guys. See you later.
This is how people die in horror movies. They decide to take their own trails and stuff.
Send your live location. Wow, that's beautiful. So how many Ks are we going?
My guess is 10.
10. So then they'll be going for 11.
And then they're going to come back in past 3 days.
Ah. Quite interesting over here. Yeah? Oh, this is not the road.
No, I was just going to see the...
Oh, I thought it's over. I thought we were ahead of them.
I was just going to see the bridge.
Ah, this is nice.
Very nice, huh?
Ah.
Mimi, I'm not going to Chalupe. What are you doing this way?
Ah, that was a nice view.
But content.
This is beautiful, guys.
Oh, and the water. Take it in, breathe it. Be one with me.
Finally, we spotted some animals. If you can see correctly, there is a giraffe over there. Then there's a waterbuck. Is it a waterbuck or a big antelope? And there's so many zebras over there. So many zebras. I think of late I've been watching. Today of late I've been seeing zebras. And yes, wow, that's amazing. I wasn't even expecting to spot any animal, but thank God we did. How was it?
And videos and stuff.
Oh, nice. Something about the zebras. What do you know about zebras?
They're like donkeys.
What unique feature do they have?
Wait.
You know, every zebra has its own stripe. It's like a fingerprint.
Really?
Yeah. They don't look the same. Oh wow. And they're fat. And the giraffe.
Giraffe is so good with it. All by itself. The eland is
They shouldn't ignore that giraffe. It's unfair.
This is like a viewing point. These are like fungi, but these are skulls of antelopes. There's one for kasongo. There's one for a buffalo. Is this for an antelope? A cow? I don't know. We have a tortoise. Wow. Let's go and view from the top. Wow. This is so close. This is so close. Wow. Yeah. Bushback, redback. Okay, all these animals are here. Look, young, we have like 62.
actual 62.
Ah, Impala 60.
It cannot be yes.
But this have ostrich, yeah, I remember ostrich and
Oh, that big one is a saber. No?
I don't guys.
No mobile. Oh. Probably the tendency,
Yeah, exactly.
so I think the problem is that like I feel like if I draw my boundaries or like if I demand like you know to a certain level whatever like you know to be like I just feel like people are going to reject you. So then it's also like
They're
it's
not
also
your
okay.
person,
That's number one.
They're not your type.
So I feel like it wouldn't even happen. Like it would.